Hello everyone, welcome back to Intelligent Skills. This is day 10 of our 30 days code challenge, and today we're going to learn binary numbers in Python with an example. First of all, let us know what is a binary number. It is represented with base 2 and it only have two digits. Unlike decimal, binary uses only 0 and 1. Bits and bytes. Here, a single binary digit is a bit. A group of 8 bits makes 1 byte. That means 1 byte is equals to 8 bits. Instead of powers of 10, places are powers of 2. If you see here, 1101 is a binary number. And this one is in the 0 place, 0 is in the first place, 1 is in the second place, another one is in the third place. So we are placing those places as the power of 2. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. After calculating those values, we are multiplying those values with their respective binary digit. After that, we are adding all those numbers. Then we are getting a decimal number. This is how we can convert a binary number to a decimal number. Why computers use it? Hardware switches are naturally on or off. On means 1, off means 0. Okay, and let's compare number systems, the decimal and binary. Here decimal is represented with base 10. Binary is with base 2. In decimal we do have 9 available digits, 0 to 9. In binary we do have 0 to 1 available digits. And here in decimal we do use powers of 10. In binary powers of 2. And these are the examples for both decimal and binary. How can we convert a decimal to binary in Python? We do have three methods here. One is using built-in function bin. Here, this built-in function adds 0b as a prefix to indicate it's a binary number. And the second method, format. Using format or f-strings gives you the raw sequence of zeros and ones without any prefix like 0b, like that. This is usually what you want for algorithm. And the third method which we can use when you use the method 1. Your method 1 adds 0b as a prefix, right? So to remove that prefix value, extra values, and to get the cleaner binary number, we would use this string slicing method. These are the three methods to convert a decimal to binary. And these are few examples how can we convert a decimal to binary. I'll explain you for one. So practice for the other values also. Here, if you take 5, we'll divide that by 2. Okay. So that we'll get the quotient as 2 and remainder as 1. Okay. And again, we'll take the quotient and we'll divide that by 2. Here again, we'll get the quotient as 1 and remainder as 0. And again, we'll take 1 divided by 2. Here, if you take that, we'll get the quotient as 0 and remainder as 1. So, we need to do it till the quotient becomes 0. And we need to take the remainder values from bottom to top. 1, 0, 1. This is how we can convert a decimal to binary. Okay. And now, also try for the other values, practice for that. Okay. And here, what are consecutive ones? This is related to our HackerRank problem. What are consecutive? Means side by side without any break, right? Consecutive ones means without any zeros, side by side ones. A consecutive run is an uninterrupted sequence of ones. A single zero breaks the chain. See here, 1, 1, 0. The consecutive ones are 2. Max run is equals to 2. Here we do have 1, 1, 0, 1. The consecutive ones are 2. Max run we do have take. And here 1, 1, 1. these are the consecutive ones. Max run is equals to 3. And our goal is to find the maximum length among all the runs of ones in the binary string. And how can we count that? Traverse the string. If you see a 1, add to current count. If you see a 0, compare with max and reset to 0. Means compare that current value with the maximum value that you have and take out the maximum value from those both, and again reset the value to 0. Okay, and this is the problem statement of HackerRank problem. The objective is, given a base 10 integer, means the decimal number, convert it to binary with base 2. Then find and print the base 10 integer denoting the maximum number of consecutive ones. Input format will be only a single integer n. Output format will be print a single base 10 integer, the max consecutive count. If you see here, 5, a decimal number, and it is converted to binary 101, the longest run will be 1. Here also the same, longest run will be 2. And this is a step-by-step logic. First, convert to binary string. Convert the decimal value to binary string using format or bin or slicing, anything, but format is mostly recommended 1. The second step is initialize counters to count the run, to count the consecutive ones. Traverse the loop. Here in the loop, you have to write it like, if character is 1, increment the current value and then update the maximum value with the current value. If character is 0, reset current to 0, the streak is broken there. Then again return the result. This is the last step. The maximum count has to be returned. And this is the Python code to find maximum consecutive ones. If you see here, we used format to convert a decimal number to binary, and we initialized 2 values, one is current and one is best, 2 variables. We are starting a loop here and we are writing over the conditions. If character is 1, increase the current value and take out the maximum value among best and current. Else, reset the current value to 0. Return the best value. And we can also write all this code in a single line using comprehension in this way. Maximum of length of run for run in format n, b dot split of 0. This is a one-line trick. Okay. If you see here, the split of 0 method breaks the binary strings at every 0. When you get 0, it will break the string, leaving a list of ones strings, example 1, 1, 1, like that. We just find the maximum length. And this is a sample input and output, n is equals to 5. And this is the binary number. If you convert that 5 to binary, 1 action, and you got 0 here, so it will reset to 0. And again when you get 1, it will start from 1. The count will start from 1, not 2. Same for 13. These are the common mistakes that beginners will do. So please make sure that you should not repeat these mistakes again. Take a screenshot of it and please make sure that. That is all about the concept of binary numbers in Python. Now let's write the code in HackerRank. Max run of consecutive ones. When you convert a decimal number to binary number, the first line of code will do conversion of the decimal to binary. For that, binary is equals to format of n, b. This will convert the decimal value to binary value. And the second line of code, here I am writing in a single line of code in comprehension way. You can also use loops and solve this, no problem in that. Okay. max ones is equals to max of length of run. Here I am deploying a variable for run in binary dot split of 0. Here split will do when you get a 0 in between. It will remove that 0, like it will reset to 1 again. It will remove that and it will only take once there, and then it will calculate max, the length, and print max ones. Let's run the code and check for the output. Yeah, let's submit the code. All test cases are passed. Hope you understand the concept binary numbers in Python. Thank you so much. If you really like this video, please like and subscribe to Intelligent Skills. Thank you. Bye bye.